Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Start menu. Press the Windows key or click the Start icon. Once visible, find the app tile or pinned shortcut you want to remove because that defines what action you take next. Right-click the tile to reveal options. This is where removal commands live. You're doing this now to avoid extra navigation. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the pin so the remove action applies immediately and doesn't require admin escalation. You then choose the correct command. Pick Unpin from Start to remove just the tile, which keeps the app installed but declutters your home screen. If you want the app gone, select Uninstall. Windows will prompt confirmation because this deletes program files and registry entries. For apps missing either option, open Settings Apps Installed Apps to find the entry and use the three-dot menu to uninstall. Doing it through Settings also shows size and permissions, which explains why some apps can't be removed. Finish by confirming the tile is removed. Sometimes Explorer needs a refresh, so restart it or sign out and back in to update the Start layout. If an app won't uninstall, run the Settings Apps Troubleshooter or try uninstalling from Control Panel for legacy apps. Make sure you have admin rights for protected apps and check Microsoft Store if the app is a store app. Reinstalling then uninstalling can clear glitches. If a system app is protected, you may be limited to unpinning only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.